Hey, where do you belong? Welcome to week 236 of the Friday feature, September 27th, 2024. Where do you belong? Pastor Dane was talking about why people come to church. Why do they come to church? And it made me start thinking, where do we belong? Is it at home, at work, at church, at the bowling alley, at a ball game, at a concert, at a restaurant, exercise class? Where do we belong? Where do we go to cheer and play and mourn and pray and laugh and socialize? Perhaps it's not the place that we belong. Perhaps it's the people that are around us that make that place special. That's where we belong. In our community here, that's where we belong. And today I want to pause for those people impacted by Hurricane Helene. Their place of belonging may seem lost, but they'll rebuild. They'll come back because we'll support them. This week, I want you to go out and think about where do you belong. And I want you to look around and have a grateful heart for those people who are around you that make every day special for you. I pray for you. Get out there, keep pushing forward. Have a great week, and we'll see you next Friday.